I'm Drew Colliver.
And I'm Lara Kell from McGrath Estate Agents. Today we're at 5 Derby Court, Buderim.
We're excited to show you through this home. Let's take a look.
This immaculately renovated contemporary family home in a quiet tree-lined cul-de-sac is positioned for unparalleled convenience. With ample front and rear lawn space and a leafy outlook, the home is complemented by multiple indoor living zones, sleek modern finishes and appointments, and a practical layout. You're only a short 5-minute drive from the vibrant hub of Maroochydore and 2 minutes from Buderim Village, making it an ideal location for those seeking a relaxed coastal lifestyle.